All right, Caps Ninjas, Sensei Lance back here again with another great combo for both self-defense, anti-bullying, abduction prevention, or if you compete in combat sports, if you're doing boxing or any kind of karate competitions, or if you're doing any kind of kickboxing or things like that, this is a fantastic combo, and it's one that I really like. Now, as you know, that when we throw combinations are more than one technique. It's usually 2, 3, maybe even 4 techniques. All right. So what we're going to do is one of the reasons that we throw multiple techniques is because sometimes people respond to the first technique in a certain way where it won't connect. So you have to throw something else. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of paint a picture here. I'm going to give you the scenario that's going on. Okay. Now we are going to throw, my hands are up. I am going to throw a cross, a straight rear hand. I'm going to throw a lead uppercut, and then I'm going to throw another straight right hand. Okay, so it's here. Way, hey, hey. All right. Now, let me kind of explain what's going on here. All right. What's going on is I'm in a self-defense situation. This person is attacking or whatever. They're coming at me. I'm throwing this rear straight hand. I'm throwing a good, powerful rear straight hand here. And let's just say that they duck underneath it. They see it coming. They duck underneath it. Well, their head is usually in this area right here when they do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw that uppercut to pop their head back up, get that head right there in the air, and then boom, I throw another rear straight hand to kind of do some more damage if I need to. Okay? So from here, the combination is here. Cross, uppercut, cross. Notice using my hips and legs. We've discussed those in other videos. Okay? So from here, it's cross, uppercut, cross. Fantastic combo. And if you notice, it flows. My hips, my feet, if I pivot properly, everything just flows with this combo. So I'm throwing my whole body, straight right hand, straight rear hand, lead uppercut, straight rear. Okay? And this combination is another great one for the aqua bag. If you have one of these in your gym, if you don't, that's fine. You can just throw it in the air, or this is a great one to throw on focus mitts also. If you have a partner that can help you out, and you should always be supervised. You should have a responsible adult around watching you train to make sure you're training responsibly. This is a great one for the focus mitts, all right? But today, Sensei Lance is alone in the gym, all right, at the Caps Dojo, so I'm going to be using the aqua bag because I need a bag that I can connect with my uppercut, okay? So from here, I throw the straight right. Let's just say that they duck underneath it. Here, I throw the uppercut, cross, okay? So from here, rear straight, lead uppercut, rear straight. All right? And like I said, this is a great combination. And I always, notice I said earlier, I painted a picture for you. All right? I kind of gave you the idea of what's going on here. They're ducking under the rear straight. I'm throwing the uppercut to pop their head up, and then I'm throwing the other straight to hopefully finish or deal with the situation the way I need it dealt with. Okay? At least until an adult can come help me or I can get to an adult. All right? Now, you always need to visualize. Okay? When you train, this is fantastic advice right here. Whenever you train, don't just throw punches in the air like, oh, all right, I'm practicing my techniques. I don't know. And you just kind of look bored. Remember, always take this seriously. Treat it responsibly. And remember, visualize the opponent in front of you. That's the fun part of what we do, is we get to use our imagination. I get to really picture a bad guy in front of me. I'm throwing a right hand. He's ducking underneath. Boom, popping his head up. Boom, throwing that other rear straight. All right? So this is a great combo for you to practice. Again, if you have an aqua bag, this is a fantastic combination to work on the aqua bag. Or if you have a partner, it's even better. So you can do it on the focus mitts. Notice I said focus mitts. You can focus and make sure your accuracy is good. Always remember, when you work on these combinations, I'm not worried about speed or power just yet. Work on proper technique. Work on getting it right. And then speed up a little bit. And speed and power will come. You just have to be patient. Drill the techniques. This is where practicing and focus comes into play. You have to practice these techniques. If you don't practice, you're not going to be ready when the real situation happens. All right? So again, this is a rear cross, lead uppercut, rear cross. Okay? I'm going to throw it just 2 or 3 more times. Here we go. This bag's moving around a lot. I don't have a whole lot of water in this bag, so it's kind of moving around a lot on me. All right, here. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Notice I'm breathing as hard as I can from my diaphragm every time I throw a punch too. Here. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. All right, y'all. That is a fantastic combination for whatever you need it for, whether it be self-defense, anti-bullying, somebody's trying to abduct you, they're trying to grab you. You can always say, hey, this is a great little ripping combination, quick combination, so you can cause a distraction and make your getaway. Also, if you compete in boxing, karate competitions, or kickboxing competitions, this is fantastic. All right, y'all. Remember, train with a responsible adult. Go on, practice that combo. Have a great day.